In the vast tapestry of our world, there lies a city where time dances. A place where skyscrapers bow to ancient pagodas, where bustling markets haggle in the shadows of silent temples, and where the stories of yesteryears are whispered in the winds that breeze through modern avenues. This is Beijing, a city that wears its heart on its sleeve and its history on its streets. Imagine a metropolis where the past and future don't just coexist but converse. Where alleyways echo with footsteps of both imperial royalty and everyday locals. Beijing isn't just a destination, it's a journey, a narrative, an opera of human civilization that unfolds before your eyes. Every corner hums with tales, every stone is a silent storyteller, and every visitor becomes a part of its ageless narrative. But where to begin in this mosaic of wonder? Let's dive deep, let's soar high, let's lose ourselves, and find ourselves in this city of dreams and dynasties. Join us as we pull back the curtains on this grand stage, and let the symphony of Beijing play. The Forbidden City. The Forbidden City, a magnificent emblem of China's imperial history, spans a sprawling 180 acres. Home to 24 emperors, this UNESCO World Heritage Site mesmerizes with its vast courtyards, intricately designed halls, and the tales of dynasties that once roamed its corridors. The yellow roofs, denoting royal residences, contrast brilliantly against the red walls, making it a vivid testament to Chinese architecture. The Great Wall. The Great Wall of China, an architectural marvel, stretches beyond the horizon, etching tales of heroism and perseverance into its vast expanse. It's not just a wall, it's an anthology of legends. Each brick narrates stories of the workers who toiled, the generals who protected, and the dynasties that built it. Its winding pathways offer a challenge to trekking enthusiasts, while the watchtowers provide a glimpse into the lives of soldiers from days gone by. The Summer Palace. In the Summer Palace, art and nature blend harmoniously. The Kunming Lake sparkles under the sun, offering boat rides that whisk you away into a serene world. The Longevity Hill stands tall, adorned with temples and gardens, each narrating tales of emperors and empresses seeking solace during the hot summer months. Here, history, culture, and nature intertwine in a dance that captivates every visitor. Lama Temple. Lama Temple, a sanctuary of Tibetan Buddhism in Beijing, welcomes with a tranquil aura. As the incense wafts through the air, it's hard not to feel a spiritual upliftment. The temple houses a gigantic Maitreya Buddha statue, carved from a single sandalwood tree. The vibrant thankas, prayer wheels, and chanting monks here make spirituality tangible. The Temple of Heaven. The Temple of Heaven is not just an architectural marvel but a symbol of China's spiritual heart. It's where the emperors once prayed for bountiful harvests and sought divine blessings. Its circular design, representing heaven, and the square base, symbolizing earth, echo China's ancient cosmological beliefs. The Ming Tombs. The Ming Tombs offer a serene journey through China's imperial past. Resting amidst lush green hills, these are the final abodes of 13 Ming Dynasty emperors. The Spirit Way, adorned with grand statues, feels like a pathway to eternity, with stone animals and officials standing guard, ensuring peace for the departed souls. Jinshan Park. In the urban orchestra of Beijing, Jinshan Park emerges like a soothing interlude. Once a royal garden during the Yuan dynasty, it now invites visitors to ascend its winding paths to the summit, where the panorama of Beijing unfolds as a breathtaking canvas. As you climb, you pass ancient trees whose roots have tales buried deep, whispering tales of emperors and commoners alike. The crowning glory, however, is the view of the Forbidden City. From this vantage point, the entire imperial palace lies sprawled out, its grandeur echoing through time. The golden roofs seem to shimmer under the sun, narrating stories of a glorious past. The hutongs. Delve into the soul of Beijing through the winding labyrinth of its hutongs. These ancient alleyways are a testament to the city's living history, preserving the essence of traditional life amidst the ever-evolving metropolis. As you stroll, Sounds of laughter emerge from old courtyards, the aroma of local delicacies wafts through the air, and you witness scenes of everyday life, children playing, elders sharing tales, artisans practicing their craft. Each hutong has its own tale, from the renowned Yandaexiji with its antique shops to Nanluoguxiang, bustling with modern cafes and bars. In these narrow lanes, Beijing's heart truly beats. Tiananmen Square. The expansive Tiananmen Square is not just a location, it's an emblem of China's historical and political might. Stretching out over 440,000 square meters, it stands as one of the world's largest public squares. Flanked by the imposing Tiananmen Gate with the iconic portrait of Chairman Mao, this square has borne witness to pivotal moments in China's history, from grand imperial processions to profound political movements. As you stand here, feel the weight of time, and the numerous tales that have shaped this nation's trajectory. Gubei Water Town. Tucked at the foot of the Simitai Great Wall, Gubei Water Town is a picturesque retreat, echoing the charm of ancient China. Meandering cobblestone streets lead you past traditional courtyards, stone bridges arch over serene waterways, and the distant silhouette of the Great Wall adds to its enchantment. By night, the town transforms, with lanterns casting a golden glow and folk melodies serenading the air. This is a place where the romance of old China is alive, where history and scenic beauty intertwine effortlessly. Beijing Olympic Park. Modern architectural marvels come alive in Beijing Olympic Park, a testament to the city's futuristic aspirations. Home to the iconic Bird's Nest Stadium and the mesmerizing Water Cube, this area celebrates China's grand entrance onto the global sports stage in 2008. As you wander, the structures, with their avant-garde designs, narrate tales of athletic prowess, global unity, and China's forward gaze. And as night falls, the area illuminates, transforming into a neon-lit dreamscape, symbolizing a city that never truly sleeps. If this journey through Beijing has stirred your wanderlust, don't just be a spectator. Dive into these tales, explore these pathways, and carve out your own Beijing story. And if you've loved this journey with us, remember to like and subscribe to Globe Notes. Together, let's uncover more of the world's enchanting tales.